My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. I get asked by dancers all the time, how do I know what to play on the finger cymbals when I am dancing? I think a lot of dancers are afraid of picking the wrong thing to play. So I am here to assure you that you have lots of choices when you decide to put on these finger cymbals and dance. And there are very few choices that would be quote unquote wrong. Once you're in the rhythm and you're playing along with the rhythm of the music, there's a lot of flexibility you have and a lot of creativity that you can express in your zill playing. And I'd like to take you through a few of your options right here. So when I pick up my finger cymbals to play, my playing typically falls within one of three categories if I were to put them into categories. The first category I think is maybe the simplest category, and it's zilling along to the tempo of the music, right? And so as long as you are in tempo, as long as you are moving at the same time as the music, chances are you can find something that's going to sound pretty good. If you have difficulty finding the beat, like where is the one and how fast is the music going, this is something you're definitely going to want to work on because this is a rhythm instrument and you're going to want to fit nicely into the tempo or the beat of the music, which I'm going to use in a way that's different than the rhythm, whether it's like a belody or a masmudi or a saidi or something. We're talking about just the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can pick something simple on my finger cymbals, like just eighth notes. So I'm going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm playing just to the tempo. There's nothing particular about this rhythm that is, say, what the drummer is playing in the music. It doesn't necessarily match my movements exactly. I'm just playing something that's within the tempo of the music. Another way that I like to play my finger cymbals is to play exactly what the rhythm is in the song. So this is where we're talking about if it's like a belody or it's a saidi, I'm going to go ahead and play that rhythm. How complex I want to make it is up to me in the moment, what I'm doing. Am I just playing finger cymbals with a band, or am I actually playing them with dancing, which is typically what I'm doing 9 times out of 10, is I'm dancing while I'm playing. And so say that the drummer is playing the melody, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. Perhaps I'm going to play that rhythm or something similar. I'm going to mirror that rhythm, use that rhythm, and kind of mix it up a little bit to be playing along with the rhythm of the music, for example. So we've got so you'll see I played the melody-ish. I changed it up a little bit. So I'm not playing exactly what the drummer is playing, but I was using that as my jumping off point for my finger cymbals. So you can play exactly what the drummer is playing. I'll admit I don't do this one quite as often because the drummer's already playing it. So I don't feel like I need to necessarily match exactly, what the drummer or the music is putting in their rhythm-wise. But typically, what I'll do is kind of a mixture of all three. And the third one is playing my finger cymbals to match what my body's doing. This one for me is one of the most fun, and it's one that I use a lot when I'm doing a cappella zills, where I play finger cymbals and dance and use no music whatsoever. This is very freeing because you become kind of your own musician and you are going to play something that mirrors the body. So let's say I'm going to do 2 big drops in the hip, I might do 2 big clacks in the finger cymbals to mirror that. Or if I'm going to do an undulation, maybe I'll do a ring. So if I put them together, I could do. Yes? So let's go ahead and put these ideas together to a short piece of music and experiment with how they might sound and how it might feel to switch between these 3 different ideas as we play. Once again, our 3 ideas are playing to the tempo. And for today, we'll keep it simple and we'll just play eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can choose whatever sound you would like to use. And then we'll play a rhythm. The rhythm we'll play is the melody. And really you can keep it to the base of the melody if you would like. If you're a beginner ziller, you could just do doom doom tech, doom, tech. You can keep it to one sound if you would like, or if you'd like to get fancy and you're playing with using multiple sounds, you could do like a ring, ring, clack to differentiate between the dooms and techs. Either way, take it to your level of challenge. And then we'll go ahead and use that little combo, the drop, drop, undulate, and we'll go ahead and play the finger cymbals to our body and see how that feels. Are you ready? All right, starting with our eighth notes, 6, 7, 8. Maybe switch your sound. All right, switching to melody. So I want to switch up the sounds. All right, let's play to the body. Other side. Nice job. So how did it go? I want to know, did one of those three options feel more comfortable to you? Was one of them more fun for you? Start with that one and get comfortable there, and then begin to expand because all of these are completely valid ways to play the finger cymbals on top of recorded music. And when I play, I typically alternate between them using kind of a section of music to develop one idea and then perhaps, augmenting it in a new section, or even peppering some of those body accents with the finger cymbals throughout the finger cymbal playing. And so what you do with your finger cymbals ends up being a very creative expression of how you're feeling in the moment, combined with your connection with the music as it's playing for your dance. So if you are ready to take your finger cymbal playing to the next level and expand on what we've learned here, I invite you to join me for my finger cymbal jumpstart. You can get it for free at sahirabellydances.com/zillstar. And in that, I will teach you some of the basic finger cymbal sounds, how to count the patterns like the rock star that you are, and how to begin to put the patterns that you use in belly dance on top of your dancing. I would love to see you there, and I look forward to making music with you soon. As always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you would like more finger cymbal and belly dance content delivered to you weekly. I'll see you soon.